Hi you guys, so today I'm going to make a pork chop with gravy as well as baked mac and cheese. So here I'm going to be adding some canola oil into a skillet for the pork chops. Okay, this pot of water is for the mac and cheese. And I'm going to be adding some canola oil to the water as well. The canola oil help the noodles not stick together, as well as some pink salt. Okay, here's the pork chops. I used 2 packs of pork chops. Here I'm going to be showing y'all the seasonings I'm going to use for the pork chops. And I'm going to add some flour onto a plate and season the flour as well. Okay, now I'm going to be coating the pork chops. I'm going to put 2 in the pan at once. Make sure you guys subscribe. Okay, now they're about done here, so I'm going to put them both on a plate. I didn't have any paper towels, so I just set them on the plate. Okay, now 2 more pork chops. Here's the mac and cheese I'm going to be using. You guys comment your favorite mac and cheese. Mine is the white one. Okay, now I'm gonna put 2 full boxes of mac and cheese into the boiling water. Also, I recommend to sit the cheese packets in the middle of the stove to help it loosen up to get it out of the pack easier. Okay, now I'm going to take those pork chops out of the pan again. More pork chops. Okay, now I'm going to strain the noodles and put them back on the stove and add in the cheese, but turn down the heat so the noodles don't burn. Okay, now I'm going to add some Kobe Jack cheese, but I forgot to show y'all, but I added some butter into the mac and cheese as well. Okay, now I'm just going to mix it together. Okay, now here I had added some canola oil into this pan, and I'm gonna put all of the mac and cheese in the pan. And I'm gonna add some butter on top. As well as some Fiesta blend cheese. I believe that's how you say it.
That's kick.
Now I'm gonna put it into the oven on broil for about 5 minutes, and when I took it out of the oven, I added some more butter on top. And now in the back, you can see me taking out the last 2 pork chops. Okay, now I'm gonna be chopping up a onion. I'm gonna use this whole onion. This is for the gravy. Okay, as you guys can see in the back, the oil that was in the skillet, you guys can pour out just a little bit of that, but just leave a good amount in the pan, because I'm gonna use that for the gravy. And I just took off of the heat so it doesn't burn. I also put on my sunshade so the onions don't make my eyes burn. And guys, it actually works. Okay, now the whole onion that I just chopped up, I'm gonna add it into the leftover oil from frying the pork chops. Make sure you guys subscribe for more videos. Okay, so now I'm just gonna let onions get translucent. Okay, here's how they're looking. I'm just sitting there waiting. Okay, now the flour that you use to coat the pork chops, I'm gonna be adding that into the onions and oil.
That's kick.
And some water. Just add the water in slowly, because if you add too much, you can't take it out, but you can always add more. It took a lot of water for it to get the consistency I needed it to. It splashed up on me. My shirt was already really dirty. I'm gonna add some more water. I decided to fill up the measuring cup because the little cup kept on running out of water. Okay, now I'm gonna add some chicken broth, just a little bit for some extra flavor. Okay, now here the gravy is done, but the skillet was too full, so I put it into a pot. Okay, here's the final results. Comment down below some more meals I should make, and comment down below if you guys would make this. Okay, you guys, this is the end of the video. Comment down below some tips and tricks I should use when cooking, as well as some suggested videos. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.